Hello everyone, today it's Isaac King Videos. Today I'm going to show you how to fix switch to youtube.com on the YouTube app for Android 6 and Android 7, Marshmallow and Android Nugget. So over here, this is a Samsung phone running Android 6, and I'm going to show you a quick way to fix this message. Works February 2025. So it's simple. You press and hold the home button and you swipe away the app. Go to your settings. Wait for settings to load. And then go to your apps. And then you scroll all the way down until you see YouTube. And then you go to force stop. And then you go to storage. And clear the data. Now, you can load YouTube again. So I'm going to use YouTube again. I'm going to cover the camera up because I have to select my YouTube channel. So, when it gets to the home page, alright, like that, it's going to load up my YouTube channel, like so. It's taking a few seconds, sorry for the wait. And there we go. YouTube loads up perfectly fine, and it is not showing the switch to youtube.com message. And also, a little fun fact, if we go to and watch any video, so I'm going to click this, I'm going to pause it real way. Did you know that the new YouTube replies update actually works on this YouTube? We'll just have to wait until it loads up because this phone is pretty slow. So if we go to comments, you can see that the new replies have loaded up. So I don't know why YouTube's saying it's not working and you have to update. It works perfectly fine. Stupid, silly Google. Right, as anyways, thanks for watching and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And also my second YouTube channel on this phone, as now the battery dies, typical. And I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.